Hi guys, welcome back to Yorkshire Car Restorations. In this video, we're going to be doing the rear arches on a Mazda MX5 NC. So let's grab some tools and let's crack on. Well, as you can see, the arches are rotten. We'll show you that in a minute, but we have been doing a lot of work on this car before. We've got all the underneath to do, all the bulkhead sections, everything have all rotted through, so we've got to renew them. We'll not be showing that in this video. All we're going to be showing is these rear arches. Now, the front wings were the same, they've been repaired already, but these rear arches are absolutely shot. We'll show you that. As you can see, these rear arches are absolutely shot. Now, if I can just get in here and show you this, as you can see, what the? Now that is a proper bit of bodgery. What the? I don't even know what's going off there. Now somebody has just stuck a piece of aluminium in there to bodge up this wheel arch and to cover it full of filler. That's what we've got left. Filler and rust. Right, so I wasn't expecting that. This is actually worse than I thought. Is it worse or is it better? Is it better or worse, Ryan?
It's definitely worse.
It's definitely worse. So there's even filler going up inside here. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it back. We're going to grind it back. We're going to get this wheel off. We're going to we're just going to get everything off so we can see where we are. We're going to be putting a new wheel arch in here anyway, so it all should be good. Compressor off. Works, it just takes a while. As you can see, just not even welded, nothing. Just pushed in there and then filler over the top. Now that is a proper bodge repair. So when we cut this off, and we cut this wheel arch off, we're going to be exposing that inner edge, which is now not going to come down and across, it's just going to come flat. And what we're going to do is we're going to put sealer all around this edge, and we're going to bond it to the inside of this edge, so that any water that goes down can basically run off straight down, and we're going to put an exit hole for the water a little bit further down here. Right, so we've got the inside of the new panel treated and the inside of the wing now, the inner wing that is. Now these two surfaces do touch. What a lot of people ask us is what we've done about this surface being attached to this surface. Now you'll see me, I'll pop a seam of Tiger Seal on here and on here, and then when I pop this panel in, they're going to depress together and they're going to make a watertight seal. So any water that gets down here will run straight down the bottom and out of the drano.
Right here.
Apparently I could have said, you'll see me put this seam sealer on. Seam sealer. It's a bad joke, Ryan. Nobody's laughing.